Hey, you guys know how much I love to do outside of the box programs. Well, today I'm going to go over a couple programs with you. Welcome to Unpacking the Home Advantage, where I can simplify the lending world for you. My name is Paige Ashby. Today we're going to talk about is asset depletion. So do you even know what it is? Have you even heard of it? So what it is we use your assets to qualify for a mortgage loan. So when you want to buy a home, we don't need to use your tax returns, or if we can't use your tax returns because you're self-employed and you have too many write-offs, then we can use your assets. So there are 4 categories. So the first one is stocks and crypto. Cash is the second one. Roth IRA is the third, and then real estate. So we all divide this into 5 years, which is 60 months to qualify for the income. So for stocks and bonds, we can use 90% of the value. And then we divide that into 60 months, and that's the income we use to qualify. For cash, obviously it's 100%. But listen, most programs always tell you we can't use mattress money. Make sure you put it in the bank and let it be seasoned. Seasoned mean it has to sit in the bank for 2 months. Well, in this case, it's called asset depletion program, and you can use cash, meaning we can use 100% of your cash, and we divide it by 60 months, and that's the income we use to qualify. The third one is Roth IRA. Now, Roth IRA, we only can use 80%. That's still a big amount. So 80% of your value that you have in your statement, we divide that by 60 months, and that's the income we come up with and we can use. So the third one is real estate. Obviously, if you have a free and clear property, we get it appraised, and we can use that asset and divide it by 60 months, same thing, and use that as income. So it depends. A lot of people have more than one property. We can use all your assets on your real estate side. Now, this is pretty simple, but we do have to really dig into the assets and make sure it's in compliance, and we are the one who will, reevaluate your statements and all that. So pretty simple, but we do our due diligence to make sure you have enough assets in the right program to fit your need. The other program I want to go over with that I've been asked a lot is 1031 exchange. Now, I did a podcast on this, but I want to go over it really quick because this is a great time. A lot of my clients are asking to buy investment properties. The great benefit here on a 31 exchange is you're avoiding capital gains. So you don't want to pay the tax on the profit you make. So what you do is, if you are selling your investment property, you can put it into another investment property, and you use a middleman company called 1031 Exchange Company. They manage it for you and help you facilitate the transaction. So on a 1031 exchange, you can have 3 different properties listed that you're going to do, you're thinking about buying. So the profit you make, you do have to use the full amount on the new property. You can't just use some of it, half of it, a tiny bit of it. You have to use the whole thing. That is a way to avoid capital gains. I highly recommend you talk to your CPA. I'm not a CPA, but this is just a program we offer. And then also, I've been asked to on direct IRA. Now, I've tried it myself. So direct IRA is you are buying an investment property, but you create an LLC, this company, and everything has to go out of the LLC. It's paying out and collecting in. You cannot mix this with your business and your personal, which I didn't know, and that was one lesson I learned. But on the business account, you have to write a check for the earnest money when you're ready to buy, and then you are collecting rent or anything you're paying out, taxes, insurance, HOA, all has to come from this LLC account, bank account. So you cannot mix business and personal. That's a big lesson I learned, and it didn't work. I had to reevaluate and restructure it. A lot of information on this. If you guys like this information, please follow, share, subscribe. And then if you need a one-on-one consultation, please message me. All my information is below. I would love to talk to you, get a game plan, create your generational wealth. I would love to spread the knowledge, the word. If you know anybody that needs my help, please let me know. Thank you so much. Stay tuned to another episode of Unpacking the Home Advantage.